A busy family tests a 3-bin system with reusable swaps to cut household waste and streamline daily habits. They replace energy waste with smart routines like lowering the thermostat, LED lighting, and delaying heavy laundry to off-peak hours. For food choices, they lean into plant-forward meals, bulk buying, and meal planning to reduce packaging and food miles. The host shares budget-friendly tips such as DIY cleaners, a rain barrel, and repairing rather than replacing. Listeners are encouraged to start with one small change this week and build a sustainable streak that fits their life.